Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove continue watching item from the Plex application. First of all, launch open the Plex app on your device, and after you are logged into the main homepage of Plex, go ahead and look for the tab where it says continue watching. It should appear at the very top of the screen. Tap on it to view your continue watching list. Now, after you open the TV show or movie you want to remove from the continue watching list, after you open up the info section for the TV show or movie you want to remove from the watch list, go ahead and tap on Mark as Watched underneath the Resume button. After you have marked the TV show or movie as watched, they will be removed from your continue watching list. You can refresh your home page so that the movie gets away from the continue watching list. The item should disappear from the continue watching row, and there you have it. Whether you are keeping your Plex home screen clean of half-watched clutter or just tweaking your viewing experience, you are all set. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.